Breaking news. Scientists have recently made a groundbreaking discovery with the help of NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, identifying an unusual interstellar comet named 3I Atlas, a celestial wonder that does not belong to our solar system and instead comes from the vast unknown regions of interstellar space, making it only the third known interstellar object detected after the historic sightings of Oumuamua in 2017 and Borisov in 2019. But what makes 3I Atlas particularly fascinating is its eccentric trajectory and unique chemical composition, which differs significantly from familiar icy comets that orbit the Sun within our solar neighborhood, suggesting that it carries the signatures of a completely different planetary system, possibly formed under conditions that challenge current models of how comets and small bodies develop in the universe. And when scientists first noticed its trajectory, they realized almost immediately that it was not bound by the gravitational pull of the Sun. Its hyperbolic orbit confirming its origin beyond the Oort cloud, beyond even the furthest reaches of our solar influence, which alone makes it a rare and precious messenger from the stars. But what excites astronomers most is that the James Webb Space Telescope, with its highly sensitive infrared instruments, has allowed them to study its composition in detail, revealing complex organic molecules, exotic ices, and ratios of elements that are subtly different from anything found in comets like Halley or Hale-Bopp, hinting that planetary systems around distant stars may form and evolve in ways far more diverse than previously imagined, and the discovery has triggered a wave of excitement across the global scientific community because interstellar objects serve as natural probes, carrying within them pristine material from alien worlds, material that may never otherwise reach Earth or be captured by spacecraft, giving researchers a unique opportunity to test theories of star and planet formation, the building blocks of life, and the chemistry that might prevail elsewhere in the cosmos. And in press briefings, NASA officials stress that 3I Atlas is not just another comet, but a potential Rosetta Stone in unraveling the mysteries of interstellar chemistry. While scientists from the European Space Agency and universities across the globe have already proposed ambitious follow-up observations using ground-based telescopes like the Very Large Telescope in Chilean Radio, observatories to track its outgassing, dust production, and interaction with the solar wind as it races through our system on its fleeting journey. Since unlike periodic comets that return every few decades or centuries, 3I Atlas will pass through only once before disappearing forever into the galactic void, meaning the window to study it is limited and every observation counts. And this urgency has inspired discussions about future interstellar intercept missions where spacecraft could be rapidly launched to chase down such visitors, collect samples, and return them to Earth, an idea that has long been on the drawing board but is now gaining traction as interstellar objects become more frequently detected thanks to improved technology. And beyond the scientific sphere, the comet has also captured public imagination, with social media buzzing about the possibility of alien life signatures hitching a ride on such icy bodies, echoing the panspermia theory that life could be spread across galaxies via comets and asteroids, though experts caution that there is no evidence to suggest life in this case, instead emphasizing the value of 3I Atlas as a chemical time capsule, preserving conditions from a system that may have formed billions of years ago in a corner of the Milky Way utterly unlike our own. And cultural commentators have drawn parallels between this discovery and humanity's age-old fascination with comets as omens, storytellers, and heralds of change, noting that while ancient civilizations feared them as bad signs, today we revere them as messengers of knowledge, and the James Webb team has reported that the comet's coma, the glowing envelope of gas surrounding its nucleus, appears fainter and more asymmetric than expected, hinting at unusual sublimation processes possibly tied to exotic ices not commonly found in local comets. While spectroscopic analysis has indicated traces of carbon monoxide, ammonia, and silicate dust in peculiar ratios that might reshape our understanding of volatile distribution in young planetary systems, and in terms of orbital mechanics, 3I Atlas is on a hyperbolic escape path that will see it make its closest approach to the Sun within months before slingshotting away toward interstellar space, never to return. And its discovery highlights not only the incredible capabilities of the James Webb Space Telescope, but also the growing importance of space surveillance networks like Pan-STARRS, which first detected the faint object before Webb's instrument confirmed its interstellar nature, and scientists are now collaborating across continents, with data-sharing agreements ensuring that every spectrum, every light curve, every dust trail measurement is logged and compared, creating one of the most comprehensive studies ever made of a single comet. a level of collaboration reminiscent of global efforts during the detection of gravitational waves and black hole imaging, further underscoring how discoveries like 3I Our Atlas unite humanity in its quest to understand the universe, and as public fascination grows, media outlets have begun dubbing it the alien comet, a term that, while scientifically imprecise, captures the wonder of an object that quite literally comes from another world, and educators are seizing the moment to inspire students in astronomy and physics, turning classrooms into arenas of curiosity where children are asked to imagine what kind of sun, what kind of planets, what kind of cosmic neighborhood might have birthed this icy wanderer. And while the answers remain speculative, the comet's existence proves beyond doubt that planetary formation is a galactic phenomenon not confined to our solar system, and that by studying visitors like 3I Our Atlas, we are in essence peering into the kitchens of other stars, tasting the recipes of other worlds, and piecing together the grand puzzle of how matter evolves across the universe, a pursuit that connects science, philosophy, and the very human desire to know where we come from and whether we are alone in the cosmos, making this discovery not just a scientific milestone but a profound cultural event that will echo in the annals of astronomical history as yet another reminder that the universe is richer, stranger, and more beautiful than we ever dared imagine.